For extra power on the go, you can use the mini battery pack with your Rondo 3 audio processor. I'll show you how.
The mini battery pack can be used with Rondo 3 to give power on the go and to connect to FM systems. To use the mini battery pack, first slide the on-off switch to the off position. Then remove the battery compartment cover. Insert a AAA battery or Da Capo battery pack into the mini battery pack. Pull gently on the rubber socket cover at the bottom of the processor to open the socket. Then plug the mini battery pack cable into Rondo 3. Plug the other end of the cable into the mini battery pack and switch it on. The mini battery pack can now be attached to clothing or worn in the pouch provided.
Now you can enjoy power on the go.